Hi everyone, welcome back to Flowered. Today we're going to be making a feta, olive and tomato confit. Now, confit might seem like a very technical term to understand, but don't worry, this recipe is really easy. Just follow along the instructions on the screen and I'll leave a detailed description out for you as well. So what exactly is confit? Confit basically means cooking any type of food in oil at a very low temperature for a longer duration. And today we're going to be making a confit of feta, olives, tomatoes and garlic, of course. I'm someone who measures garlic with her heart. So when I say 8 to 10 cloves are enough, they most definitely are enough. You don't need to add any more, okay? And please do not give me looks on the quantity of oil that I've used. It is essential for a confit. And once the confit is done, you can actually separate this oil out and maybe use it as a drizzle on salads or even your toasted sourdough. The taste is phenomenal. So once your soak is nice and bubbly, you can take it out of the oven, mash the feta, olives, garlic and tomatoes so as to make a spread out of it. Be careful not to spill any oil on yourself, so be gentle with it. Stop mashing once you reach a texture as shown on the screen. Next, get yourself a toasted sourdough bread. Spread this beautiful confit on the toast and enjoy. I've got to get a little bit of everything on my toast, so you'll see tomatoes as well as garlic, the cheese and olives. And I'm here to do a taste test for you. Relish the crunch, and I have to say the taste was absolutely delicious. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.